So today I am reviewing this sliding barn door. It's a pretty cool item. You put it together. It's like a composite plastic, but I think it looks really good. Has that nice barn feel. Look at it up close. I'm going to switch to normal view so you can see the detail. So it feels plastic, but like it looks good and it seems heavy duty. These slats, this basically it comes in a bunch of pieces and you put all these together. One thing I didn't like is this like glues on this strip here. If I'd go back, I'd maybe just like not put it on or maybe remove it. It has nice tracks. It tells you to put one header board right here to attach it all to. There's a handle. There's a track that helps it slide. Slides really nice. And has stops that you can adjust here. You have the other one down there. And you can see it's kind of like a narrow door here, and I have my home gym in here. So didn't like I took the door out originally, but I still like to have some privacy, especially when I'm working out, to not be disturbed by the dogs or my kid, and just to quiet the noise for the rest of the house. This is like this is a converted. This used to be a two-car garage, and it was converted into this space in the other room by previous owners. But yeah, I'd really recommend this door. Everything's nice, has a nice look to it. Really like the hardware on it. Goes in there nice. Has a little, you can see here, the little guy to keep the track in line. And it says to screw it to the floor, but I have tile in here, so I just used some double-sided 3M like adhesive strip. See here, everything's nice. Has like little spacers to space it out. Very smooth operation. Not hard to put up or anything. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.